Everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardboxElectronics.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. So 811H came in. Customer said the filaments weren't lighting. Took the tubes out. Checked the sockets. Had voltage. So checked all the connections back to the secondary leads for the filament coming off the multi-tap transformer, power transformer. So I ended up unsoldering the leads. They were longer at first, and connected them directly to a dummy tube, which tested good, filament's good. Checked it on my TV7. This is an old tube. Nothing. Does not light. So then I cut the leads back, thinking maybe he broke somehow he messed with the fan, thinking maybe I thought maybe he broke the stranded leads within the PVC jacket. Highly unlikely, but wanted to roll it out. So I cut the leads back. Same thing, nothing. And the B positive is isolated. Don't do this at home, please. I'm a professional. So I'll turn it on. See? Nothing. Okay? So I'm going to disconnect the tube and show you that there's voltage. So that lead looks like it is damaged, or it goes in the core. I can't get at it because it's at least a layer down underneath enamel wire, and I offered to change the transformer. He doesn't want to do it. So disconnect the tube, show you there's voltage, and that's about it. So I have an AL80B I have to test, and a bunch of other amps here, SB220, AL1500, just more in boxes, just all over. So I will be right back. See you soon. My fluke hooked up. Test lead on one probe. I need to get some more test leads. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Lights are on. Put this connection right here, and you see voltage. That's the floating voltage since there's no load. Shut it off. And yeah, I also tapped on the wires where they come out of the core. So this is a first. Never seen this happen before. So thanks for watching. 203-892-4119. AmpRepairGuy.com is one website. Other website is HardboxElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. TGIF. I am going to relax this weekend. So many Hardbox orders got filled this week, and lots of amps to do. So thank you all for being loyal and for watching the videos. A lot more to come, and I have the resistors to scale the meters and the multi-band amp, so I will get back to that. I know I keep saying it, but my buddy Jim's going to send me some electrolytic caps for the plate supply. Measured that out, so I got a plan. It's just time and time. I need time and motivation to work on my own stuff. Okay, 73. Have a great day and a great weekend.